A big topic these days is, how do I leverage AI to create solid insights, but then govern it to make sure that I'm protecting against false insights? And my advice to folks is normally around a couple of key areas. Number one, how are you consuming AI within your organization? Governance isn't just about defining terms and managing metadata. It's also about defining usage patterns. Who gets to use what data in which way? And when you think about what an agent is consuming set pieces of your information. So regulating who gets access to which agents is as important as who gets access to which data. And now some of those agents can actually pass through, if you will, your security as an individual into the system. But at the end of the day, that level of security, either by determining who gets access to the agent or severely limiting people's access to data, is a path you have to take. And frankly, it is a lot easier to restrict who gets access to an agent than it is to fundamentally go through every data element in your organization that an agent may have access to and individually secure it for different personas, especially if your data management isn't necessarily where you want it to be. Second, you're going to have to build a certain amount of AI oversight into the agents that you have. At the end of the day, when you build an agent, one of the things that you can do is not just say, I ask this agent a question, it goes out and interrogates my data and comes back with an answer and delivers it to me. You can also do things like, hey, I went out and asked it a question, the agent interrogated the data, got an answer, but before it provided the answer to me, it ran it past a couple of other generative models that I've created that are very narrowly focused on looking for certain things, such as this thing is directing you to give guidance to a customer in a certain fashion. And my only job as a piece of code is to make sure that that advice appears to be in the best interest of the company. And if it's not, reject that answer and have the primary engine of the agent try again. But you're going to have to get that creative when you build these systems if you want to make sure that you're governing AI against false insights and the impacts those can have in your business.